One of the side hustles I'll share in this video can earn you $175 to $600 per day in passive income. So in today's video, I'll share with you 5 of the most effective Stable Diffusion side hustles you can start today that could help you make hundreds of dollars in passive income from the comfort of your own home. The best part is that none of these Stable Diffusion side hustles require expensive equipment or a lot of money to start out. All you need is your computer or laptop and an internet connection. And of course, a lot of time and determination on your part, because generating passive income streams is no walk in the park. Now, let's get into the first side hustle. Number 1. Generating and selling your own AI art made with Stable Diffusion. Step 1. Embrace the idea. Imagine diving into a world where technology meets creativity, where your imagination takes the wheel and AI becomes your trusty co-pilot. You're about to create art that merges human ingenuity with artificial intelligence, resulting in captivating pieces that stir emotions and boggle minds. Just like a painter needs brushes and a canvas, you'll need your digital tools. Think of these as your magical paintbrushes, a powerful computer with a stable internet connection and access to Stable Diffusion AI technology. This cutting-edge AI will be your secret sauce in this artistic adventure. Step 2. Foster your style. Every artist has a unique style, and you're no exception. Spend some time exploring different artistic genres and techniques that resonate with you. Do you lean towards abstract, impressionist, surreal, or a style yet to be named? Let your creativity wander and find your artistic niche. You can use inspiration from other successful AI or normal artists as the fuel that keeps your artistic engine running. Go on a journey through galleries, online art communities, and even the world around you. Capture snippets of life, colors, emotions, and stories that you can infuse into your AI-created art. Crafting your vision. This is where the magic happens. Utilize Stable Diffusion AI to turn your inspiration into digital art. Feed your AI with prompts, ideas, or even parts of existing art to kickstart the creative process. The AI will generate remarkable pieces based on your inputs, combining your style with its computational wizardry. While AI is your trusty sidekick, don't forget your role as the master artist. The AI-generated art might be fantastic, but it's your expertise that will add that irreplaceable human touch. Refine and tweak the AI-generated art to match your vision and style. Your attention to detail takes your art from good to extraordinary. Spend time fine-tuning colors, textures, and composition. It's the small, thoughtful touches that make your art stand out from the crowd. Step 4. Presenting and selling your art. A gallery of art deserves a grand presentation. Create an online portfolio or website showcasing your AI-infused masterpieces. Give each piece a name and don't forget to share the stories behind them. People love to connect with the artist's perspective. Every successful artist has a unique brand that defines them. Develop your brand identity, a memorable logo, an engaging tagline, and a consistent color palette that reflects your style. Your brand becomes your digital signature, making your art instantly recognizable. Now, let the world know about your captivating AI art. Utilize social media platforms, art communities, and even collaborations with fellow artists to spread the word. Engage with your audience through behind-the-scenes glimpses, art creation videos, and thought-provoking discussions about the intersection of AI and art. When your art catches the eye of potential buyers, make the buying process seamless. Set up an online shop or partner with art marketplaces to showcase and sell your creations. Provide various options from digital downloads to limited edition prints, catering to different preferences and budgets. Step 5. Continuous evolution. Art, like life, is a journey of growth. Keep experimenting with AI, refining your style, and exploring new horizons. As technology advances, your art could transform in unimaginable ways. Embrace the evolution and enjoy the ride. In the end, creating and selling AI art made on Stable Diffusion isn't just about generating art. It's about breathing life into a harmonious dance between human creativity and cutting-edge technology. Your art will be a testament to the limitless possibilities that arise when imagination and innovation intertwine. Number 2. License your AI art. You've got the creative fire burning, and now it's time to take your Stable Diffusion AI art to the next level: licensing. Buckle up, because we're about to explore a whole new universe of income-generating possibilities that will leave you wondering why you haven't done this sooner. With your captivating AI art polished and ready, it's time to steer the ship towards licensing. Just as you've nurtured your digital masterpiece, you'll now guide its journey into the hands of others. Step 1. Showcase your artistry. Imagine you're setting up an art gallery. Organize your AI-generated artworks into a captivating portfolio. Highlight the variety and quality of your creations, showcasing your artistic prowess. Step 2. Explore licensing choices. Think of licensing like offering different flavors of a product. Consider if you want to offer exclusive licenses, one buyer, or non-exclusive licenses, multiple buyers. This choice shapes how you'll monetize your art. Step 3. Define usage and value. Picture your art in various scenarios, on websites, merchandise, marketing materials. Determine the scope of usage for each license. Set pricing based on the value your AI art brings to these different applications. Step 4. Build your online platform and spread the word. Imagine building a digital shop. Create a professional website where people can explore your art and licensing options. Make it user-friendly and visually appealing to attract potential buyers and partners. Think of this like marketing your art like a product. Use social media, art communities, and online platforms to promote your licensing services. Share the benefits of using your art and its potential impact on different products. Forge connections with businesses and creators who could benefit from your AI art. Collaborations can lead to more exposure and opportunities for licensing deals. Step 3. Launch your licensing journey. Think of this as the big launch. Start offering your licensing options on your platform. Watch as your art finds its way into various projects, generating income with every license sold. By following these steps, you're turning your AI-generated art into a money-making endeavor. Just like an entrepreneur launching a new product, you're putting your creations out into the world, connecting with buyers and reaping the rewards of your creativity. Now, we want to hear from you. Which aspect of Stable Diffusion AI art inspires you the most? Drop a comment below and let's ignite a conversation about the limitless possibilities of AI-driven creativity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more methods of making passive income with Stable Diffusion AI.